Dude, I want to confetti him.
No, Rob! Surprise, motherfucker! It's the Totem Bandit! Give us one! Give us two!
I hear Sneak up on us while we're
Yeah.
our fucking money away? Oh.
Another one bites dust. Oh, 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 yeah!
Oh. Hey, we got the trampoline room!
Let's go to the same spot. We're gonna get there quicker this time. We can go right to the grocery store. Yeah.
I think I meant to pick up yours because you
That's
dropped.
Okay. I double tapped, so.
Yeah.
Grocery store's clear, dude.
Is it okay? I'm coming over there. Oh, there's a prize box. 1 second.
Oh, there you go. Money. Oh, you're being greedy.
A little bit, little bit.
I'm gonna go for this one then. We're gonna double greed. Double the greed.
Oh, Cleveland!
Got no guns. We're being greedy. Oh, 2 phones. There's 2 phones.
2 phones?
Yeah, but we'll get crap for them. Somebody's went to the grocery store while we were goofing
Fuck!
off.
Up on the roof, Rob! Up on the roof!
Buy this gun in the machine. It's something purple.
Yep.
I'm making a phone call.
Oh, it's a
fast?
fucking rocket launcher!
We can't afford that. Shit. How do we take the grocery store? Please give me a gun. Please, Mom.
I have an idea.
Please. 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 It's a gold vest. Okay, I'm going in the front to try to buy a gun.
I got a gold AK.
We need to take the grocery store so we can claim the rocket launcher.
I'm in here.
Okay. That's me jumping in. I'm gonna buy whatever gun is here. Tracked off, come on. Did you down him?
Yeah. He's on the left. On the left, yeah.
That's our phone, and don't you forget it.
Ooh, he
Pick
had
up
an
all the weapon
M14.
belts and stuff, and then you can use this phone. I'm gonna go start with tactically withdrawing money.
I gotta find a belt and shit first. Or should I just call you think? I don't know.
Yeah.
There's a free level 2 helm here.
Okay. Going for the rocket launcher, buddy. Just call the phone.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh, didn't mean to do that.
I was gonna say you're being shot, bud. Our first rocket launcher. Hopefully it doesn't suck.
This is gonna be scary. I'm so excited though. Gold armor. I mean, I'm not too upset about that, to be honest.
Hey, I'm not upset.
There's a level. Oh, you already have that. Remember to go grab this level 2 helm.
Yep, I'm gonna come back. I'm just getting that rocket as ASAPs.
Fuck. Yes. I'm so excited.
Now the main player base, they're not really buying every rocket launcher they see yet, but
They
I don't like
know
the
what they're
Dracnoff though, because it only supports 10 bullets. It's got a really cool scope, but that's not my play style, you know? I like to run and gun. Where was that helm you said?
It's like on the other side there, yeah.
Okay. So we're getting closed in, so maybe let's go south, clear those buildings out, see if we can find dudes. And then we'll keep going east as people come. I will be using this rocket launcher in the next fight we see, by the way.
Okay.
Just to let you know.
Cool
I don't like saving explosives for the finals. You know, maybe that's a strategy. Nah. I need weapon belts and backpacks if you see them.
Yeah, I'll let you know. I need one more backpack, but that's it.
Yeah, I need one of each.
Ooh, there's a gold AK here for you.
I can't hold it. I got a gold Uzi. There's a phone. Guess I'll use it.
Can't use it in here,
Somebody has looted the prize van to the south, so somebody's been around this area. So be careful.
Keeping my wits about. Ooh. Gold helm, gold helm. Just a golden boy, eh?
225. They're right around the building, right here.
Okay. I think behind us too, it sounds like.
They're both lit.
Are they on the ground?
Yeah, one's down. They're down.
Jesus, I didn't even see them.
I'm being shot at.
There's shots everywhere.
Yeah, we need to back off, dude.
Okay, I'm coming back.
No! I'm healing. They got something snipey. My armor saved me there. Okay, my rocket launcher's reloaded. Let's come this way, pause.
Yep.
Come. They're gonna know we're
backing
lit.
off, yeah. I'm behind the building, or in front of it.
Okay. Let's see, can we get on top of this?
I have a trampoline.
Yeah, trampoline up. They're inside this store. You want to bust them in?
I'm down.
I don't have armor, but
Hey,
I'll bust.
Do you need health?
I'm gonna call a phone, see if I
Do
can
it,
get armor.
do it.
No, I'm good right now. I'm good. If they come out, I can kill them really easily. Is that at us? I think that's at us, dude.
It's just a bot. Got him.
Oh, I'm down! Careful, Pause, I'm down! I'm safe, just get me up. I'll watch him. Just get me up. Get me up. They have no way up. Here, I'm gonna med kit and then we're gonna kill them. Can you shoot at him? Distract. No. Oh, you're lit. You're lit. All right.
Gonna heal here. Oh, I fucking didn't heal. There you go.
Oh, those
Good
guys were
God.
tough. They had armor and they had positioning on us. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good now. I'm good.
We got to get our trampolines. I got 2 rockets.
Nice.
Did you get your trampoline back?
No. It might be on the ground still.
Oh, yeah, it's over here. I need a weapon.
I forgot to pick that up. That almost fucked us.
Yeah, they used it. I should have picked it up, but my inventory was full. Where's their weapon belts? Where do we kill these guys? Didn't I kill them in this room?
There's one over here. I just need a backpack still. That's it. Right here.
I think there might be a backpack in this room. Yeah, there's a backpack in this room. Okay. We need to go get armor. Rocket launchers are fun though, dude.
Yeah, you knew armor bad.
They really secure us kills very easily if they're out in the open. Oh, that guy had an M14, blue, beauty.
He had a gold. I took it.
Oh, you had a blue. Oh, perfect then. Let's go loot that, I guess.
Yeah, that's where I killed that Zuck.
Oh, we're getting locked out. Okay, loot it quick. Loot. We have time to loot. It's worth it. We have lots of healing.
Incoming prize packages for your enjoyment.
This way.
It's gonna hurt just a teensy weensy. Actually, I don't even think. Maybe.
I don't have armor, so I don't even care if it hurts me.
There's a
It
helm
only
there.
sucks when you have armor. Oh, nice. There's a bike for us. All right, let's go drive up and find some armor somewhere. Ooh, don't mind if I do. All right, mission accomplished.
I really wonder what ads they're gonna like have on the screens there, eh?
That's looted. I think there's people in this building right there on our left.
Oh, I almost walked right into you. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. I think it was a bot. Yeah, definitely a Zuckerberg. You won't be able to beat me this time, Mark. Not until your AI is significantly improved.
Let's take that gold helm.
I'm gonna go get our bike. Okay. Your armor will last like one little fight. I got fresh T2. Let's drive over into the yellow zone for 2 reasons. 1, catch people moving out. 2, nobody will suspect us in the yellow zone.
Oh, look, there's a person who just vaulted over on the
Where?
left.
Jeez Louise, I didn't even see him.
He was like right in front of us.
I know, I didn't even see him. I was looking around at machines.
Good thing I got eyes, Rob.
Just jumped off the bike and started shooting. Do we want to heal? Do you have any small healing?
No, I only got the big.
Yeah, I have 2 big. It's probably worth using, honestly. If you only have 1 big, I'd save it.
You know what? I have an idea.
I'm gonna top off at the things. Is
can't.
it really worth it?
I can't because I gotta go in the zone.
No, it's not worth it. We'll find something. Let's go drive up to a burger restaurant. We got 30 seconds to get out of here. I think there's not enough bikes. But I think because they know they're adding more vehicles, that's fine.
Yeah.
I don't know if I like the static spawns, though.
No, I assume that they'll probably add some more randomization to it.
Oh, leg day.
There you go.
Okay, this has been fought at. Guy across street.
Attention,
Where?
contestants.
By the bus.
Prize packages for your enjoyment.
Somebody else is shooting at him.
Hit the lights. It's time for a fight. Get ready for the showcase shootout.
I don't know where, though.
Yeah, I'm spooked out. We're pretty close to it, though.
You want a roof of the gas station here from behind?
Yeah, I think he might be in it. I'll stay out here just in case.
Across the street?
On the roof. I hit him in the head.
What floor?
He's on the roof. Left side.
I didn't see him.
There's a spin to win here. I'm just going to quickly go grab that, I guess.
Yeah, let's do it. I found some temp bandages. Oh, I see him. He's still on the roof, man. I say we just leave him. If he's just one guy on a roof by himself, that's such a pain in the ass. Dude took out half my armor already. I thought he was on gas station or something.
No.
What'd you get?
Got 2
Garbage.
Rexes and a gold Uzi.
Okay, you got a bike, is what you got.
Ooh, wait, a bike spawn there?
Yeah.
That's weird.
You got the one where you can ride on a bike.
Nice.
Woo!
That was beautiful.
All right, I'll take it. Oh, you know what? I know how we're gonna get this guy. Oh, right there, yeah. Was that him?
No, I think that, I don't know what that was.
Okay, we're going on the roof.
I like it.
Fans tactics, here we go.
Maybe that was him?
Maybe that was him.
Yeah, let's go. What the fuck? Why was he sneaking there?
He was heading to the point.
He was just crouch walking though. It's so bizarre.
We got a minute. Should we get this?
Yeah, I think we do. Get you some gold armor, you know? Ooh.
Ooh, didn't think we were landing that. Because I doubt anyone's camping at this point.
You got the exact same thing.
Do I want... I already have 2 C4s. So... I don't have room. I think... I didn't switch for my big med kit. Oh well. Forgot to do that. Grab this prize. Sir, could you collect your prize, please?
Yep.
Sir? If you could please collect your... Oh, good.
Oh, worth.
Excellent use of our time. All right.
We got
This
5
is a hard one to
individuals.
enter.
Yeah, this
Should I
one
just drive
sucks.
across the lake? Or should I go long?
I think
got
you go
time to
long. Yeah, we got time.
Oh, we're right up ahead.
That was behind us.
Was that behind us?
Yeah.
You see anything down there? Oh, I see a body.
Okay, let's go.
Behold, I give unto you the
This is gonna be bad.
showcase.
I can't do rocks, dude. Bikes don't work on rocks. All right, I landed it. Hop on. We gotta cross lake. Hop on.
I don't know where you are. Okay. I spooked out.
Trampling onto the roof. I'm gonna leave it there. Just gotta find these last guys. They're probably slow. Did we clear the house yet?
Yeah, there's nothing in here. I see them. They're 315.
330? Yeah. Hit him one.
Really? My gold armor and everything, just so fast.
Get behind the building. Get behind the building. I downed one, so they're gonna try to go for their friend.
Just healing.
Yeah! Explosive finale, baby! Yeah! Just 2 explosions.
Oh.
Dead man.
That was crazy.
That was so perfect. You threw it where, like, right behind him, and I threw it right in front of him. So he backed off from mine and walked into yours.
Dude, just an explosion sandwich. It was beautiful.
Give them wins.
GG.